In this video we are going to talk about the best smoke detector in this year, which is Kidde 210260043 battery-operated smoke. We will be going over the special key features of this product and why this product is so popular. So stay tuned and let's get into the video. The Kidde 210260043 is a battery-operated smoke alarm designed for residential use. It is a part of Kidde's i9040 series of smoke alarms, which are known for their easy installation and maintenance. Here are some details about the Kidde 210260043. Power source: the smoke alarm is powered by a 9-volt battery, which is included in the package. Sensor: the smoke alarm uses an ionization sensor, which can quickly detect fast-burning fires. Alarm sound: the smoke alarm produces a loud 85 decibel alarm sound when smoke is detected. Test button: the smoke alarm features a test button that allows you to test the alarm's functionality. Low battery warning: the smoke alarm will emit a chirping sound when the battery is low and needs to be replaced. Installation: the smoke alarm can be easily installed using the mounting bracket and screws provided in the package. No wiring is required. Dimensions: the smoke alarm has a diameter of 3.25 inches and a height of 1.5 inches. Warranty: the smoke alarm comes with a 5-year limited warranty from Kidde. It's important to note that the Kidde 210260043 is designed for residential use and should not be used in commercial or industrial settings. It is also recommended to install a smoke alarm in every bedroom, outside sleeping areas, and on every level of your home for maximum protection. That's all about this product today. If you want to get more information and customer reviews, you can check out the link in the description down below. I hope you like the video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and then subscribe my channel if you want to get more videos in future.